Welcome! This SwellPro tutorial video demonstrates the features of the different Spry flight modes. The Spry utilizes a brand new flight control system that incorporates 5 of the best flight modes. GPS mode. This mode uses the GPS module to achieve accurate and stabilized hovering, braking, intelligent flight, intelligent return, and other intelligent flight mode functions. In this mode, maximum flight speed is 10 meters per second, maximum ascent speed is 3 meters per second, and maximum descent speed is 3 meters per second. Circle mode. The drone moves 10 meters from its current location and begins to fly a circle with a radius of 10 meters and with the nose always facing the origin. While circling, the right-hand joystick controls the speed and size of the orbit. Push the joystick right to speed up the orbit, or push it left to slow down the orbit. If you continue to decrease the circle speed, the Spry will change the direction of its orbit and then increase speed again. Push the joystick down to increase the radius of the circle. Push up to reduce the radius of the circle with a minimum radius of 10 meters. ATTI mode. ATTI mode does not use the GPS positioning function, but still maintains altitude stabilization. The drone will drift with any wind when hovering and will not stop when the joysticks are released. The flight direction is influenced by inertia and wind direction. This mode is suitable for shooting fast-moving objects. Using the ATTI flight mode requires a full understanding of the aircraft's performance and the surrounding environment to ensure flight safety. Although the drone does not use GPS for positioning, with a good GPS signal, the drone can still return home. Flight speed is 18 meters per second and maximum ascent speed is 4 meters per second. Follow me. The remote controller has an inbuilt GPS module. The Follow Me mode is based on the relative position of this GPS module to the drone. It's possible to have the Spry follow the remote controller from ahead, behind, or to the side. The maximum Follow Me speed is 10 meters per second, or 36 kilometers per hour. Auto return. The aircraft has a one-key return function as well as auto return if radio contact with the remote controller is lost. When the remote control and GPS signal are good, the aircraft can be commanded to automatically return to the current remote control position. Thanks for watching.